Hey. Look at him, Hazel. You see him? I think he's a baby. That might be daddy. He's a pretty one too. Say hey. Say hey. Can you talk? You know how to talk? You know what I'm saying? Oh, say it again. Hello? You gonna talk? Say hey. Hello? Talk to me. Please. Oh. Can you say it again? Say it again? You said it a minute ago. Hey, Hazel, look at that newspaper. Oh, look at this big boy. Say hello? Can you talk? Look. Says he's 55 years old. Look at this little fella. Hey, buddy. Say hello. Oh, pretty bird. Oh, look at that. Say it again. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Doobie. Is your name Doobie? You gonna say it again? Pretty bird. Say it again. Say pretty bird. Are you camera shy? What was that? Say that again.